do this, up, over, down, to the right, corkscrew, under the leg. Okay, so starting on the left side here, you just tapped, right? Then you'll go up, around, down, on the right, tap, into corkscrew, then under the leg. You did this. You were in the corkscrew, you came down, and you went under the leg. Now we're just adding the tap to get you into the corkscrew. In your performance, what you would do is you would tap, come up, around, turn, down, tap, then corkscrew a few times, and then go under the leg so that you're comfortable with it. Start it from the right, then go down 1 and 2, and then on the third one, try and go under. 1, 2, 3, and then now go up, down, up, under the leg. We're going to start from the tap. I'll count off 5, 6, 7, 8, and then on the 1, tap. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, up, around, down, and tap. 2, up, around, down, and tap. 3, up, around, down, and tap. Now go into the corkscrew. 1, 2, and then 3 under the leg. Come up into the counterclockwise corkscrew. Together time, then split it and stand up into the pinwheel. 5, 6, 7, 8. Tap, up, around, down, tap, up, around, down. Tap, up, around, down, and then up, down, up, down, up under the leg, up into the corkscrew, plane shift it to pinwheel, and split the time. 5, 6, 7, 8, tap, up, around, and down, and tap, up, around, and down, and tap, up, around, down, tap, up, down, down, up, down, under the leg, and up, bring it up into the pinwheel and split the time. 5, 6, 7, 8, tap, up, around, down, tap, up, around, down, tap, up, around, down, up, down, up, down. Get ready and go under the leg, turn into the together time, plane shift it up into split time pinwheel. Okay, and last time. 5, 6, 7, 8, tap, up, around, come down, tap, up, around, come down, tap, up, around, come down, up, down, down, under the leg, turn, up, and plane shift it and split the time. Woo! The section before that was when we were in short poi and you were counterclockwise. Right, so we had been doing this, then our hands come together into this. Then you go into together time. Yes, okay. Now, we're going to tap left, up and down, and tap right, up and down, tap left, up and down, tap right. And now up and down, tap left, release as you come up, come down, around, and turn. Up, around, come down, tap, turn. Now to the right for the last time, we're going to come down now. We go to the top of the corkscrew, bottom of the corkscrew, top of the corkscrew, bottom, then top. Now come under the leg, turn, around, back into the corkscrew, and plane shift it up into pinwheel. The counterclockwise snake charmer. So you're snake charming, counterclockwise. Then you bring your hands, technically, we did a turn to get to around to the front. Then we bring the hands together. And then we're going to make it together time. And then tap up and tap right, up, tap left, up, tap right, up, down, tap left, release, come up over the head, come down, and tap, come turn left, up and down, and tap, up, turn to the right, down, and tap. Now, top of the corkscrew, bottom, top, bottom. Now we're going to come under the leg, turn, plane shift it, as you exit, coming up into the pinwheel. Here we go. We're starting in the snake charmer counterclockwise. Turn with it once. Bring your hands together. Then make it together time. Then we're going to come down and tap left, tap right, tap left, tap right, down, tap left. Now release as you turn to the right, come down and tap on the right. Turn up, down, tap on the left. Turn, go up, down, tap on the right now. Top part of the corkscrew, bottom part of the corkscrew, top part, bottom part, top part. Now under the leg, turn to the left, bring it up, corkscrew, and plane shift it up to pinwheel. We're starting in the snake charmer counterclockwise. Turn with it once. Bring your hands together. Then make it together time. Then we're going to come down and tap left, tap right, tap left, tap right, down, tap left. Now release as you turn to the right, come down and tap on the right. Turn up, down, tap on the left. Turn, go up, down, tap on the right now. Top part of the corkscrew, bottom part of the corkscrew, top part, bottom part, top part. Now under the leg, turn to the left, bring it up, corkscrew, and plane shift it up to pinwheel.